Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this door chime by BITIWEND. BITIWEND. It's a wireless door sensor alert for you if someone opens the door or the window. With 600 feet range, 58 chimes, and 5 volume level. With an LED indicator, it's a door chime for business, for stores, for home, for the office. While you're entering the room, it gives you an information. This wireless door chime here features 58 chimes and 5 level adjustment volume. You can go from range of 0 decibel up to 110 decibel to meet our needs for different occasions. Remembers your last melody and volume level after a power outage. No need to reset to our previous settings again. The BITIWEND door chime can be used as an alarm to remind business front door when burglar opens the door and helps deter break-ins. Perfect for family which has children or elders. And this wireless door sensor here chime with working range up to 600 feet in open area, of course, to cover our house or store ensures we will never miss a visitor. The battery level will affect never miss a visitor too. And the battery level will affect the signal receiving range, of course. It is recommended to change it once every 12 months. And each door sensor or the receiver can be expandable use. We can use them with additional BITIWEND door sensors or doorbells. We can install them in our dining room, in our bedroom, in our living room, in our garage, in our yard, or our store and office. We just plug the doorbell receiver into any standard outlet and tear the double-sided adhesive tape on the back of the door sensor, or we screw mounted it. To stick to the door or window, we should take the insulating paper away before using the sensor, of course. Then we can have a nice and easy reminder. It's also available not only in white, it's also available in black as you like. And we can buy, for example, 3 cents and 1 receiver, or we can buy receiver as we like because we can add a lot of them. The BITIWEND wireless door chime here. This is our best home assistant. 58 ringtones, 5 volume levels, 600 feet wireless range, and LED light emitted diode indicator. Long connection range completely cover our house or store, of course. In the office, at home, for security and for business. You see, it's really easy. 3-step installation. Plug the receiver in the socket, then place the sensor part on the door with double-sided tape, and now we can protect our house. Of course. Yeah, that's easy, isn't it? Because they are paired together if you can install it easily. This alerts us when customer open our store doors, for example. This alerts us when a thief opens a window or a door. This alerts us when our kids are out without we looking. This alerts us when the company has visitors. This wireless alarm receiver are expandable. This allows us to pair with a variety of transmitters such as contact sensor, motion detector, etc. One wireless alarm receiver can be paired with up to 58 different transmitters, and each transmitter can be set to different ringtones. That means 58 ringtones to choose from. And the sensor is wireless. That means really easy installation. The receiver plug in, job's done. The radio frequency transmission is up to 540 up to 900 feet. Then we can separate the sensor to the trigger, the receiver to the ring, and 5-level adjustment volume are possible. We have a flash LED indicator, battery powered, the battery is included, and we can replace it really easy. The receiver comes in AC 100 up to 240 volt operation. That means it will matches all over the world. Maybe you will need an adapter for it. The sensor parts installation distance less than 0.4 inches. The receiver standby power is less than 0.3 watt. The wireless frequency is 433.92 megahertz. The working range 540 up to 900 feet in open range. The working humidity less than 85%, and the sensor operation temperature from 0 up to 55 degrees Celsius. The indoor alarm receiver works as an alarm buzzer. It receives a signal from the door sensor and activates an alarm in response to the signal. It also has a flashing LED indicator, so we can find it first even at night. The door sensor transmitter transmit a sign to the receiver installation JAP more less than 0.4 inches by separated the two parts. Really easy, or? And the blue light flash when the signal is transmitted. It can be installed on the window or doors, etc. The product has a built-in battery, but we have to need to replace the battery ourselves when the battery, of course, will be dead. You can see it's really easy. It's easy to pair a new one. We select our favorite ringtone before pairing, then long press the volume button for 5 seconds, and we will hear a sound. And quickly separate the two parts of the door sensor when they are nearly at the receiver. Then the receiver will ring. It means the pairing was successfully. Easy. If we like to add and pair more door sensors, we repeat the step by step again. To reset that device, we press down the button for 5 seconds to raise the receiver to default. When the receiver sounds the ding-dong with the LED flashing, that means that reset was successfully. Then we can make a new pairing method again. So it's really easy, and it makes a good job at home for security. These are the BITIWEND door chime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.